Controversy erupted in the chess world when Magnus Carlsen and Hikaru Nakamura suggested Hans Niemann was cheating at the Sinquefield Cup. 19-year-old American chess grandmaster Hans Niemann is currently the source of the biggest scandal in chess. This is after the American chess player has been accused of cheating ever since the world champion Magnus Carlsen quits the $350,000 Sinquefield Cup, after losing a game with the white pieces to the 19-year-old on the 4th of September. Even many theories are making rounds on the internet that says Hans has cheated in the tournament using wireless anal beads, which aid him by vibrating the correct moves. Now, jumping on the bandwagon, Tesla CEO Elon Musk has weighed on the conspiracy theory. Taking it to his Twitter account, chief engineer at SpaceX suggested that the top chess player has cheated using vibrating anal breading. This is after a Twitter user posted a video of a content creator giving his views on Hans using wireless anal beads. While posting the video, which has taken the internet by storm, the user wrote, "Currently obsessed with the notion that Hans Niemann has been cheating at the Sinquefield Cup chess tournament using wireless anal beads that vibrate him the correct moves." Now resharing the viral post, Musk quoted the German philosopher Arthur Schopenhauer's quote. The Tesla CEO tweeted, "Talent hits a target no one else can hit, genius hits a target no one can see, 'cause it's in your butt, Schopenhauer." Twitch star Felix xQc Lenuel has responded to the theory that Hans Niemann has been using an adult toy to cheat at chess. However, the French-Canadian wasn't exactly too keen on the idea and explained why an adult toy probably wasn't being used. "People think he's using an adult toy with Morse code," the former OWL pro exclaimed. "How? You think he's vibrating his moves by contracting his sphincter up and down to communicate what moves he's doing and receiving?" According to the Twitch star, there was no way he was cheating, because of how painful it would be for something to be buzzing so much for over 1,000 games. "This guy's ass would be so f***ing wide open, man," he said. "This dude must be absolutely loosened up. There's no shot." As the tournament continues and the fallout from the allegations rolls on, it will be very interesting to see how this chess drama unfolds, even with these wild theories making waves. Thanks for watching.